Welcome to Managing Your Gradebook for MyClass. The first thing you'll want to do is go up to your set preferences, go into the Gradebook tab, and go down to the Publish Assignment Statistics. This button will control whether or not class averages and the highest and lowest marks are visible to all parents and students in the MyClass site. If you do not wish to have these statistics published, make sure this button is unchecked and click OK. Head over to your Gradebook top tab. If I click into a class and go into its categories, I have the ability to set a default visibility type for my assignments. This would mean all of the assignments that I enter have this visibility type as a default setting. I can keep it as private, which means it's not visible in MyClass. I can make it public with no grade so that assignments only are visible in MyClass, or I can make it public where assignment marks and feedback will be visible in MyClass. I have the ability also to control the visibility type through the assignments individually. So I can come into an assignment and change the visibility type specifically for one assignment only. You want to note that when MyClass calculates an average for a student, it's based only on the assignments that are marked public and visible in MyClass. If I want to allow students to submit assignments online, I can create an open and a closed date. This is the range of dates that students have to send me their assignments via MyClass. I can also add a web link or add a file to this assignment, and this will allow parents and students to download this from the MyClass site. I'm now going to head into my Scores side tab. This is going to open up the gradebook for my PE class. Along the top here, I have little icons indicating the assignment visibility in the MyClass site for parents and students. A green checkbox means the assignments are public and grades and feedback is visible. If I click on the little icon, it changes to a red stop signal, and this indicates that my assignment is private, not visible in MyClass to parents and students. If I click on it a third time, I have a little blue circle with an eye indicating that assignments are public with no grades, so students and parents can just see the assignment or download any documents that are related, but not see any grades or feedback. The email icon means that I've received an online submission for this particular assignment. If I go down to the student that has the icon beside their mark, I can click on it and it will download this file onto my computer. If I want to provide feedback for a student on a particular assignment, if I click into their grade and click into the little bubble, I can type assignment feedback for this student. And this will become visible on the MyClass site for both parents and students, and it shows me that I have left feedback for a student. One last feature that I'll show you within your gradebook is the Groups side tab. If I click into here, I can create groups within each of my classes. So in order to create the group, I would name that group. And then I can just drag and drop the students that belong in this group. So drag them over, and once the group is made, there's no save button and it automatically saves. If I want to remove a group, I can click the red X and that will ask me if I want to delete this group, and I can click yes, so they are no longer in a group. And these groups are all visible under the My Info tab, under My Groups, and I can create events or create a page for these particular groups if I'd like. And those are some of the features for MyClass and its relation to your MyEdBC gradebook.